Hi and welcome. My name is Anna. In this video, I want to show several methods of sewing rubber elastic to swimwear. Here I got an example of this elastic to show you how it looks. As you can see, it's stretchy enough, but it comes back to its position. And I've also prepared some swimsuits with different stitching. These bikinis I made myself. They are double layered with an elastic in the inseam. It is called clean finish. I'll show you how to do this stitch. You can sew such bikinis on the lining or make them reversible using fabrics of different colors so you can wear it on both sides. Here we have the turned finish with cover stitch. I'll show this technique as well. And here is the bias tape with the rubber elastic inside. And the turned finish with zigzag stitch. These are the most common stitches of sewing in elastic to swimwear. So let's see the techniques. Before we begin, an important detail: we use stretch or super stretch needles to sew the swimsuit. I'll be demonstrating on small pieces of fabric. Black is self fabric, white is lining. Swimsuit fabric facing up, place the rubber, aligning the edges. Gently stretching the elastic, hand sew the elastic to the edge. Disengage the overlock blade. I did a 4-thread overlock stitch, but a 3-thread stitch would be more appropriate. Place the lining facing up close to the inner edge of the elastic. Wrap the edge and sew by hand. And the last step is cover stitch. On the wrong side, I determine how far from the fold I want the stitching to go to catch the edge of the elastic band. As in the previous version, first we do the stitching on the overlock. Place the lining facing up close to the inner edge of the elastic. And the last step is a zigzag stitch. Use triple or single zigzag stitch. I made a stitch with width 5 and length 3.4. You may choose other settings. Cut a strip of fabric 3.5 to 4 cm width. Swimsuit fabric and the bias tape facing inwards. Overlock the edge. Turn back the tape and wrap it around the edge as shown in the video. The last step is cover stitch. I must admit I didn't like this method because I couldn't make a perfect straight stitch because of the thickness of the fabric. Swimsuit fabric and the lining facing inwards. Place and hand sew the elastic band on the upper fabric side. Overlock the edge. Turn the swimsuit to the front. The seam and the elastic band are inside the swimsuit and are not visible. So these are the most common stitching methods of rubber elastic. Hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to this channel and see you in new videos. Bye.